Hello children, how are you? So in the last class we already discussed about the measuring unit length, okay? So today we are going to start with the next measuring unit, that is mass, okay? Mass means what? It is the weight of an object, okay? The weight of an object is otherwise called mass. See, I have shown you a figure here. You can see a horse here. So the question is, what is the weight of this horse, or what is the mass of this horse? We are either saying in grams or kilograms, okay? We are studying for gram and kilogram. In the case of length, we studied for 4 measuring units, okay? Which were there? They are millimeter, centimeter, kilometer, meter, is it? But for mass, you are studying only 2 units. You are studying only 2 units, that is gram and kilogram, okay? Gram is denoted by G and kilogram is denoted by kg, okay? Gram is a small unit and kilogram is a bigger unit. You are not studying for milligram, nothing like that. You are studying only gram and kilogram this year, okay? And just think about the conversion fact also. Only one thing you need to think, you need to by heart. That is, same like length, here also from small to big unit you will multiply, and big to small unit we will divide, okay? That is same, everywhere it is same for all these measurements. So just keep in your mind, 1 kilogram means 1000 grams, okay? When 1000 grams join, we are getting 1 kilogram. So what will be 1 gram? Same, 1 gram will be 1 by 1000 kilogram. 1 gram is 1 by 1000 kilogram, okay? So 1 gram equals 1 by 1000 kilogram. So see, gram to kilogram, kilogram to kilogram, we will divide by 1000, and kilogram to gram we will multiply by 1000. 1 kilogram equals 1000 gram. So what will be 2 kilogram? 2 kilogram will be 2 into 1000, that is 2000 grams, okay? So suppose I am asking you 1 gram, it is 1 by 1000. So I am asking you what is 2300 gram. So what you will do? 2300 divided by 1000, okay? That is 2.3, okay? So just keep in mind about this conversion. That is kilogram to gram, it is we are multiplying by 1000, and gram to kilogram we are dividing by 1000. Actually same like this gram, milligram to gram conversion is there, everything is there, but we are only focusing on this year, okay? Only to gram to kilogram and kilogram to gram, okay? So always keep in your mind, big unit, kilogram is a big unit, gram is a small unit. When we go from big unit to small unit, or when we convert from big unit to small unit, we will multiply by 1000, and when we go from, or when we convert a small unit to a big unit, we will divide by 1000. Is it clear? That is 1 gram, 1 kilogram, how many gram? 1 multiply 1000, 1000 gram. 10 kilogram, 10 multiply 1000, that is 10,000 gram. Same like that. 10,000 gram, how many kilogram? 10,000 divided by 1000. So we will cancel the zeros and we will get 10 kilogram. Like this, okay? Now we can go to the textbook exercise, okay? So student book, page 232, that is the explanation for mass. Okay, this one is easy for you, only that conversion part is little confusing. That also you just by heart this conversion units, conversion methods, it will be easy for you, okay? So mass, see, how much an object weighs is called its mass. That is, the weight of an object is called the mass, and we are using the units gram and kilogram to measure the mass of an object, okay? That is what we already discussed in the previous slide, okay? See, you can see a watermelon here, okay? And we are weighing the watermelon in a balance. This is called a balance, okay? And see, by looking at this balance, you say this is a balance which measures kilogram or gram. Look here, what this is a gram. This is a balance representing gram or kilogram. It is kilogram, it is mentioned here. So we are starting from 0, then comes 500. 500 means it is not kg, it is 500 gram, is it? When it comes to 1, we will say 1 kilogram, 2 kilogram, 3 kilogram, 4 kilogram, then 0. That means maximum up to 5 kilogram I can measure in this, is it? We can measure up to 5 kilogram in this. So what is the measure of this watermelon? So we look at the needle and we can say it is 3 kg, exactly 3 kilogram, is it? So if a needle comes here, we will say it is, see, 1 kilogram means how many grams? It is 1000 grams. Look, each small division represents 100 grams. 100 gram, 200 gram, 300 gram, 400 gram, 500 gram, 600 gram, 700 gram, 800 gram, 900 gram, 1000 gram. When it comes to 1000 grams, it is same as 1 kg. So after this, you can say 1100 gram, or after 1.1 kilogram. Okay, why 1.1 kilogram? Because 1100 divided by 1000, it is 1.1. So we can say either 1.1 kilogram, 1.2 kilogram, 1.3 kilogram, 1.4 kilogram, 1.5 kilogram. That is 1000 plus 500. 1500 gram is same as 1.5 kilogram. Is it clear? So its small divisions represents gram. So either you can represent it in gram or in kilogram. Is it clear? So this one we can say it is 3 kilogram. If I am saying in this balance, you can see a strawberry here. It's a small fruit, is it? And here you can see some balance. This balance we have kept some weights here. And what is this weight? Look here, it is gram. Everything is gram. So how many gram is the weight of this strawberry? What is the weight or mass of this strawberry? It is 10, 20, 30. Is it? When we kept 30 grams here, it is balanced. So the weight of this strawberry is 30 grams. Like this we need to say. So different types of balance are shown here. So again, see, an electronic balance you can see here. It is representing the display itself shows the weight. An apple is kept here. So what's the weight of that apple? It is 200 gram. Okay. So in some we are measuring some in some balances, electronic balance, straight away we can see the reading. In some other type of balances, we need to count it. So depends. Okay. So this is an electronic balance. So we know the conversion 1 kilogram equals 1000 gram. This thing is very important. Okay. Then we can just, you can just see, just look at this page. Answer is given here. It's just for a practice. Would you measure the mass of this object in grams or kilograms? Look here. A small chocolate is given. So we will measure it in gram or kilogram? Obviously gram, is it? Kilogram means when it comes to 1000 grams only, it becomes 1 kilogram. Chocolate is very small, so it is in grams. See, a big basket of a big cover or consisting of so many vegetables. So it will be in kilogram, is it? So we can say, so what about this? What do you think for this cycle? What will be the weight of this cycle in gram or kilogram? It will be kilogram, is it? And see, for an anar, pomegranate, the weight or the mass of the pomegranate is in gram, because it is only one. If you are taking maybe 10 pomegranates, we will say we will measure in kilogram, is it? So same thing. See, a mobile, it is in gram. Yeah, a boy is sitting there. His weight in gram or kilogram? In kilogram, is it? So this one, so you can just do the this homework. Actually, I'm saying it as an homework because you're doing it as home, but it is really a practice. You can relax and do it at home whenever you feels to do, but go through the slides and make the concepts clear, because next year also we need these things. So the homework is next page, that is page 235. You need to just do it and send me. Very easy thing, you can do it easily. See, one small box is given here, seems like a juice box. It is in gram or kilogram. A camera is given gram or kilogram. You need to tick the answer and send me. Okay. See, dumbbells, keep in your mind 3 dumbbells you can see, so maybe gram or kilogram. So all these things you just tick either gram. Small weights we will always use gram, and for bigger heavier things, for lighter things we will use gram, for heavier things we will use kilogram, is it? So you can do this. Next we are going to the conversion. Okay, conversion is more important than this. First you need to identify and then we are going to convert. Before conversion you can just look at this. See, few books are kept on this balance. So this one also you can do as homework. Few books are kept on this balance. Okay, and we can see the readings here. So the question is, first you need to write how many kilograms is that, and that is equal to how many grams. So first you look here, the first one I will explain to you. How many kilograms is this? So we can see this is a kilogram balance. It shows the kilogram because kg is written here, and up to 5 kilogram we can measure. So this one is 1, 2. It is not coming till 3. So it is how much? We can say it is 2 kilogram and 600 grams, is it? So in kilogram, how we can say? So 2600. 2 kilogram means 2000 grams, is it? So when you say in kilogram, we can say it is 2.6, because after this everything is hundreds. After 2 kilogram 100 grams, 2 kilogram 200 grams, 2 kilogram 600 grams. 600 grams how we can convert to gram? 600 grams how we can convert to kilogram? We will divide by 1000. So 600 divided by 1000 is 0.6. So this is, we can say 2.6 kilogram. Okay. Or if you are saying in gram, how we can say? After 2001, 2 kilogram means 2000 gram, is it? So 2100 gram, 200 gram, 300 gram, 400 gram, 500 gram, 600 gram. So it is 2600 gram. So if you are writing in kilogram, we will say 2.6 kilogram. If you are saying in gram, we will say 2600 gram. Is it clear? So come next one. See, you can see a jackfruit there. So how much is the weight for that? We can see what's the weight of this. 1 kilogram, 2, 3, 4, 4.12. It is 4.2 kilogram. Is it? And that is how many grams? 4.2 kilogram is 4 kilogram means 4000 gram. Then after that 4100, 4200. Okay. 4200 grams. Or we can say 4.2 multiply 1000. So it is 4200 grams. Okay. The same way you do the question number C and D also. You can look at the measure first. C, D. Look at the measure first and you can do.